Med Corp is in the process of developing new equipment. It's a tender with significant innovations, and they really want to attract the customer. They turned to Pinet's sales team because, for this equipment, they need a hinge model to open the hood and the side door. For the side door hinge, the solution is simple. The product exists as a standard model in the catalog. Pinet offers to send a sample. If it's suitable, all they need to do is order the required quantity. For the hood, the part does not exist. What they really need is an assisted opening for the hood with a hold-open mechanism corresponding to the weight and shape of the hood. In short, a very special hinge. The solution? Custom make it. The Pinet sales department and design office will help the customer select the right product family, material, and the appropriate function. They sign a non-disclosure agreement in order to safeguard the exchange of information and start looking for different alternatives. Several back and forths are necessary to choose from among the various technical solutions and finalize the specifications. Once these are validated and analyzed, a complete proposal with the 3D drawings is sent and the manufacturer of a prototype kicks off. Pinet's design office submits a 3D printed model or a true material prototype similar to the final version that the customer will be able to test in situ. At the same time, the Pinet team also tests the prototype in the in-house laboratory, a tensile test for measuring resistance, a cycling test, and a temperature test. Everything's okay, and the Med Corp team validates the prototype. Pinet can manufacture the custom tool to start the production. The tool is manufactured by Pinet's teams internally in the tooling workshop in its plant in France. This allows for better responsiveness, better cost control, and protects the tool know-how. Med Corp receives its delivery a few weeks later. Everything is perfect. In conclusion, for specific requests, Pinet uses its expertise as a manufacturer to make the difference by offering you a product that meets your exact needs.